Hi everyone! こんにちは、ゆりかです。Today, we will see katakana, one of the three writing systems in Japanese. Compared to hiragana, katakana is mainly used for foreign words, foreign names, and onomatopoeia like animal sounds or sound effects. The shapes are sharp and straight. Because many katakana words come from foreign languages, their pronunciation is often similar to the original language, although it is adjusted to fit Japanese sounds. A common mistake is reading katakana too close to English. Always pronounce it using Japanese sounds. Now let's look at katakana chart. Just like hiragana, there are 46 basic characters and their pronunciation is the same as hiragana. They are all based on 5 vowels. A, I, U, E, O. Consonants combine with these vowels to make sounds, such as K plus A, ka. One additional feature of katakana is the horizontal line, which is used to make long vowel sounds. I'll explain this in more detail later. Now let's practice pronunciation and stroke order. Please repeat after me. A, I, U, E, O, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi, tsu, te, to, na, ni, nu, ne, no, ha, hi, fu, he, ho, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya, yu, yo, la, li, lu, le, lo, wa, wo, Great! Now it's time for a quiz. Choose the correct answer that translates hiragana into katakana properly. You can also pause the video and refer to the katakana chart. Now let's check the answers. The first one is number 4, taxi. The second one is number 3, クリスマス. The third one is number 1, restaurant. How did you do? Be careful with characters that are easy to confuse, such as shi and tsu, and so and n. Next, let's look at contracted sounds. Just like hiragana, contracted sounds are made by adding small ya, yu, yo to characters from the I column, such as ki, shi, chi, ni, hi, mi, ri. For example, ki plus small ya becomes kya. Shi plus small u becomes shu. These small characters make the sound shorter and smoother, and they count as one beat. Now let's practice. You can repeat after me. Kya, kya, sha, sha, cha, cha, nya, nya, hya, hya, mya, mya, rya, rya, kyu, kyu, shu, shu, chu, chu, nyu, nyu, hyu, hyu, myu, myu, ryu, ryu. Kyo, kyo, sho, sho, cho, cho, nyo, nyo, hyo, hyo, myo, myo, ryo, ryo. Great job! Next is double consonants. The small tsu comes before a consonant and makes the consonant sound stronger or doubled. It most commonly appears before K, S, T, and P sounds. For example, kitchen. As you can hear, there is a short pause before the consonant. Let's practice and listen carefully to the difference in sound length. Switch, switch, soccer, soccer. Next is long vowels. In hiragana, long sounds are usually made by adding vowels, but in katakana, we use a horizontal line instead. This line makes the previous vowel sound longer. For example, keiki, keiki, coffee, coffee. You can hear that the vowel sound is extended. Finally, there is one feature that does not appear in hiragana: small vowels. When foreign sounds do not exist in Japanese, small vowels are used to make the pronunciation closer to the original language. For example, chef. If we don't use a small e, it becomes shifu, which sounds different. Small vowels do not make the sound longer. Like contracted sounds, they attach to the previous character and count as one beat. Let's look at example. Chess, chess, fork, fork. Well done! Now let's finish with the quiz using everything we learned today. Choose the correct answer that translates hiragana into katakana properly. Okay, here are the answers. For the first question, the correct answer is number 1, sofa. The second question, the answer is number 4, シャツ. The last one is also number 4, マンション. Did you get all the questions correct? Japanese has many characters to learn, so it can feel challenging, but let's take it one step at a time. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next lesson.